Why are my scripts not executing? Permission error fix. Imagine writing a perfect script and hitting run, only to see nothing happen. It can be frustrating, but most times, it's something simple like a permission issue. Permission errors are a common reason scripts don't run. They happen when the operating system blocks your script because it doesn't have the right permissions. This is especially true in environments like Linux or macOS, where permissions are tightly controlled. Every file and folder has settings that decide who can read, write, or execute them. If your script isn't marked as executable, the system won't run it. One of the main causes is that the script file itself doesn't have execute permission. You can check this by looking at the file details with a command like ls script name. If you see something like rwrr, it means the file isn't set to run. To fix this, you can use the command chmod u plus x script name. This adds execute permission for the owner of the file. Once you do that, the system recognizes it as an executable program. Another common problem is ownership. If the script is owned by another user, you might not have permission to run it. You can see who owns the file with LSL. If you're not the owner, you might need to change ownership using sudo chown yorusername script name. This gives you control over the script and allows you to run it. The directory containing the script also needs the right permissions. Even if the script itself is executable, if the directory doesn't allow access, the script won't run. Check directory permissions with lsld to directory. If it lacks execute permission, you can add it with chmod plus x to directory. This lets you access and traverse the folder to run scripts inside. Sometimes, the shebang line at the top of your script can cause issues. This line tells the system which interpreter to use, like bin bash. If it's missing or incorrect, the system might not run the script properly. Make sure the shebang line points to the correct interpreter and that it exists on your system. Running scripts with the wrong command can also cause permission errors. For example, trying to run a script with sh when the script isn't marked as executable can cause problems. Instead, set the execute permission and run it directly with script sh. This way, the system knows to treat it as a program. Another thing to check is the file system itself. If your script is stored on a drive mounted with options like noksec, the system won't run any scripts from there. You might need to remount the drive with execution enabled or move your script to a different location. To fix permission errors and get your scripts running smoothly, start by checking the permissions with ls. Add execute permission with chmod u plus x script name. Verify ownership and change it if needed with sudo chown. Make sure the folder permissions allow access. Confirm the shebang line is correct. And if you're still having trouble, check the mount options of your file system. By following these steps, you'll solve most permission issues that block script execution. It's all about making sure the operating system trusts your script to run.